Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to record Zoom meetings in iPhone. So the very first fix is to check screen recording availability. Scroll down Control Center to find screen recording option. If this option is missing, it is not found, go to settings, tap on Control Center. Now from here, if this option is missing, simply tap on plus icon, find here and tap on plus icon to see the screen recording button. Now after this the screen recording button is there, tap on it and make sure microphone is turned on to include audio. Now after these steps are done, begin your Zoom meeting. And after beginning your Zoom meeting, tap on the screen recording icon again, and this will save your screen recording in your album, in your photos. That's it. Thanks for watching. See